We are here at Alvarez Morris Architecture and are going to ask Carlos Alvarez a few questions about the Scrape project in Wash Park. Carlos, can you tell us what this project brings to Wash Park?
We believe that we're contributing to the diversity of the styles of houses and potentially pushing the envelope in a more architectural way.
What is the vision behind the design of this home? It's so unique.
The first thing that we do is we get to know our clients and their needs and their wants and their likes, and then we evaluate the context in which it sits, and slowly it starts, like from an artistic process, it starts coming out. Our client liked old aged houses. He also liked country farmhouses. So those two ideas that seem to be so different in nature, when they kind of collided here, they became very unique in style. Finally, the last idea, which has been the funnest one, is the idea that his house will at some point be called the lantern in the park. Because there's a piece of the entire house that will kind of glow at night as if it was the lantern in the park. And by looking at the context and what he liked, we decided that the use of a reclaimed brick, which would be in this model, like most of this red that you see over here. So the connection of the farmhouse interpreted in a very modern way here with this piece over here, which we're calling the lantern in the park, which is a piece that will kind of glow at night and illuminate the entire park.
Carlos, what zoning restrictions will you have to work around, and how will that impact this project?
Specifically on this one, our toughest thing was the height limitation. There's a 30-foot height limitation. So trying to get this below 30 feet is very tricky. Other than that, there's the typical things that you have to deal in an urban context. You have the setbacks, which in this case are 5 feet from the property lines. You have the front one, which is, make sure that you line up with your neighbors. And then there's the open space, which we seem to always maximize, which is you can only have a house so big for the lot. So those are the three main factors that happen on this lot.
Well, that wraps up the demolition and our interview with Carlos Alvarez. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We would love to help you with all our real estate needs.
Make sure to join us for our next episode as the construction begins in Wash Park.